One of the most useful cordless tools in the world, a mini grinder kit. These kits are used to do many tasks like drilling, polishing, sanding, craving, and many others. And that's why they're used in many jobs, mostly jobs that deals with details a lot. Let's cut to the chase and unbox Ronix 3420 cordless mini grinder kit. Starting from the box, there is an accessory table on the side which gives you the pictures, quantities, and sizes of all accessories inside. And on the other side, there are some technical information which I will explain on later. Inside the box, there is a manual book which I highly recommend to read before using the tool. And a high quality plastic kit with transparent cover which you can have full access as soon as you open it to the tool and all the accessories inside the kit. A lightweight body which only weighs 240 grams made of durable plastic, which has been covered in this area with rubber that prevents the slipping of your hands while working. We have the tool holder here, a pin lock, we have the air vents to keep the tool temperature cool while working, and a control panel which includes the on-off switch and the speed control function. There is a charge indicator light and also the battery input, which is a micro USB. Inside this body, there is a 3.6 volt DC motor, which gives you the speed of 5,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute on the collet. And it's fed by a 1.5 amp lithium-ion battery. Alright, let's see what we have here. A kit full of accessories, 122 pieces of different accessories to help you tackle all kinds of applications. Starting from here, we have a dressing stone, we have polishing pads in different types and shapes, we have sanding drums, but don't worry, they all come with the bases which you can find here. We have 4 brushes, 10 pieces of diamond bits with different shapes, 10 pieces of grinding wheels with different shapes, and 5 drilling bits. And also 2 stacks full of sanding and cutting papers. And of course, there's a spanner right here to tighten the collet. And also there are 4 colletless sleeves. If you want to use bits with different diameters, so you won't have a problem, you can use this. And 1 LED collar, which goes onto the collet and lights up the area that you want to work in details. Look at that. Awesome, right? And the USB charger. Great features and complete accessories make this tool a perfect choice for anybody who wants to use a cordless mini grinder.
Ronix premium quality.